Hi, welcome to today's tour at 122 2nd Street in West Palm Beach. It is a private cottage, studio efficiency for $1,100 a month. All utilities are included, water and electric. This is convenient off of Southern Boulevard and Jog Road in West Palm Beach, near the West Palm Beach Airport. Let's take a little tour. Welcome to today's tour of 122 2nd Street in West Palm Beach. Private cottage, studio efficiency. In the back there is for rent for $1,100 a month. Includes all utilities, water and electric. Have street parking here out front. Let's take a quick little tour. A little pathway here to your little private cottage. There's a washer and dryer in the shed there. Shared use. The yard is shared with the owners. You can grill outside here. Nice little private sitting area here. This is also shared with the owners. You're welcome to sit out and grill, relax. There are stairs here, go up to the studio. We are viewing 122 2nd Street rental, studio efficiency, water and electric is included. Private cottage up these stairs. You walk into the apartment. Have a closet here as soon as you walk in. Owners do have a king-size bed they can put in here for you if you'd like it fully furnished. Kitchenette area with the sink, fridge, microwave, little burner plate, desk. You're welcome to grill outside. Does have a fireplace, mantle for your TV. Nice cold AC. You can set this up how you like. $1,100 a month, includes water and electric. 122 2nd Street in West Palm Beach, close to Southern Boulevard and Jog Road, very close to West Palm Beach Airport. Bathroom. Shower. For information on any property, buy, sell, rent, or invest, contact Mike Jordan, Realtor, 24/7. Text 954-372-6442. or email MikeJordanRealEstate@gmail.com. This apartment will rent quickly. Contact me as soon as possible. First class and security is needed. $1,100 a month. There's a washer and dryer out here inside this shed for shared use. It's a sitting area up underneath your cottage. This is shared with the owners. You're welcome to sit out here and grill. Owners live in the front part of the house. There is street parking right out front. Private cottage, 122 2nd Street, West Palm Beach. Contact Mike Jordan, 954-372-6442, or email MikeJordanRealEstate realtor.com. Yard is shared with the owners. Nice couple with a small baby. Two 6442. Mike Jordan. Hope you enjoyed today's tour.